Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. If you've been wondering whether you can turn off end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp, especially on your iPhone, I'm here to clear things up for you. This is a question that comes up from time to time, so let's dive right in and talk about what end-to-end encryption is and whether you can disable it. First off, it's important to know that WhatsApp's end-to-end encryption is a default feature. It's built into the app to protect your privacy and security, ensuring that only you and the intended recipient can read the messages you send. This means that not even WhatsApp can access the content of your messages and calls. Now, to answer the question directly, no, you cannot turn off end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp. There's no option in the app's settings that allows you to disable this feature, and honestly, you wouldn't want to. End-to-end encryption is crucial for keeping your communications private and secure. Without it, your messages would be vulnerable to interception, making it easier for unauthorized parties to access your personal information. Some people might think about disabling it, perhaps under the mistaken belief that doing so could improve the app's performance or make it easier to back up data. However, this isn't the case. End-to-end encryption has no negative impact on how the app runs, and it's designed to work seamlessly in the background without affecting your user experience. In most cases, end-to-end encryption is a highly beneficial feature. It's there to protect you and ensure that your conversations remain private, no matter what. So, even though you might be curious, rest assured that this is one feature you should be glad to keep on. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving it a thumbs up. See you guys later.